Kingston. How you doing, baby? You having fun? Meeting all your new friends? Here's a mama. Hi, mama. Pretty girl. Miss Coco in the pool. Hi, Crash. Pretty eyes. Miss Lulu. Duke. How you doing, Anna? What are y'all doing? Hi, Murph. What, Mason? Is he not loud up there? Hi, Shani. Luther. Coach. Bobo. Hey, Bobo. Hi. Shani and Libby and Rex and Abby. Frankie. Connor. And a good old time, right, Duke? You get in the pool, you're wet.